Let's start with our next retouching tool, which is known as pattern stamp tool. So now click on new file to create a new file. Now I am going to choose print, and from here I am going to choose A4 paper, A4 size. Now here pixels, resolution will be 300, orientation will be landscape, color mode will be CMYK, and create. So this is the page. Now click on pattern stamp tool. So pattern stamp tool paints with different types of pattern. After selecting the pattern, in option bar the options are same. The size and the hardness can be increased and decreased. The modes, opacity, flow, angle, and here are different types of patterns. So you can choose any of this pattern to and you can apply it. Next is the align, and last is the impressionist effect. You can use it. Now after selecting the size, now here I am going to increase the size, and now here from here I am going to choose water effect, and from here I am going to choose this water effect, and I am going to apply it. This is how you can apply the pattern on the background. Also, you can apply the pattern on the new layer also. Now next, if you want to create custom pattern, you can create it. So click on file, open. So now I am going to choose this pattern and open. So this is the pattern. Then now click on edit, and from here you have to click on define pattern, and you can rename it. So now I am going to rename it as a background, or now pattern one flower. So I had renamed the pattern and OK. Now again on this page I am going to click on pattern stamp. In this style panel you will see the pattern. This is the custom pattern which we had created. Now again, so here I am going to decrease the opacity of the pattern. So this is the decreased opacity of the pattern, and now I am going to increase the, from here I am going to use overlay. So with overlay, and now dissolve. Now normal mode, and this is the normal one. So this is how we had learned today pattern stamp tool.